Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a product or service on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. You can then click on the Post an Ad button at the left side from the homepage and you will be allowed to post your ad. Now within the title, just describe the product that you're selling, followed by the price. Then enter the city or neighborhood as well as the zip code, and you can then enter your product description. Once you fill all of these information, you also have the options to post the details of the product that you are selling. Then click on the condition drop-down and choose the condition and also choose the language of your post. Then select whether you accept cryptocurrency and if you offer delivery. You can also enter your phone number by clicking on the Show My Phone Number option. After entering all of your required information, click on the Continue button, and now you also have the option to upload an image of the product that you are selling. Click on the Add Images button and upload your photo, and then click on the Done with Images button to see your final draft. Once you are satisfied with your draft, click on the Publish button and your ad to sell this product will be posted right away. Make sure you select the correct categories in order to get the proper exposure for the product that you are selling. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sell something on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.